G'day guys, Greg here. Now today for lunch we're going to a place here called Spirit House. Now this place is pretty fancy, so how about we whip inside and suss out their food and just check out its ambiance and see what it's like. Let's go. Oh, look at these lovely gardens. Wow, it's got some beautiful gardens here. Right, let's check out this menu. Should have brought my glasses. Right, main course. Okay. Oh, banquet menus. Oh, that's fancy. Vegetarian? No thanks. So we're going to Premium Banquet today, $125 a person. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. Start off with a Pinot Gris. Ooh, fancy. So first of all I've got the coconut soup, Tom Kha, coal smoked salmon, Nam Prick Pow. So underneath here there's some salmon. Beautiful, like red coconut flavour. Subtle but delicious. And this one here is the Miang Kham, grilled whitefish, peanuts, ginger, lime and betel leaf. So they said to wrap it all up and eat it all at once. Very nice. This salmon is so good, so tender, and this broth, coconut cream broth, is to die for. This is the seared fat Wagyu beef blade, green nami salted. Oh yeah. That stuff is melting your mouth. This one here is the sweet vinegar braised pork belly, mee crab sauce, and crispy noodles. Oh man, that pork belly fat is just so good. And this one here was the plantain with some sort of sauce, not too sure. Crispy, and that sauce is sort of a Thai coconut sauce. Very nice. Well, it's main course time, and this is the crispy Humpty Doo barramundi with chili and tamarind sauce. So this one here is the green curry of beef short rib, tamarind glaze and grilled eggplant. And here are some cherry tomatoes, som tum dressing and peanuts. Of course it comes with some jasmine rice as well. Beautiful and crispy. That sauce on the barramundi's very sweet. And it's got a nice little kick of chili in there as well. Can be quite overpowering.
This is definitely not for human consumption, so please do not eat them.
That green curry sauce is kind of mild. It's got that delicious green curry flavour though. It's very tasty, and that meat was just so tender. Oh boy, that was good. What about these cherry tomato things? Tastes like cherry tomato with peanuts. Well, it's dessert time, and well, we've got a mango looking thing here. Looks fantastic. And I got the biscuity, minty, chocolatey, biscoffy something-y. It looks good too. Bit chocolatey, bit minty, bit biscuity, a bit of everything. Ooh. Wow. That is minty. And ice creamy. Something I've never tasted before, so it was really nice, yet quite unusual. And this mango dish. Is that rice in there? Wow, coconut rice, and the mango is just so beautiful and sweet and a little chewy or something. It's got something about it that tastes really awesome. Well, I got to say, that meal was sensational. All the flavours were delicious, and well, the chef is a champion chef too, so he knows how to cook. And even though some of those portion sizes look small, mate, I am full as can be. I can barely walk. The Spirit House, mate, well worth a visit if you're ever looking for somewhere to go, somewhere nice and fancy up on the Sunshine Coast. Well worth a visit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat somewhere fancy. See you then.